Well, today the National Weather Service confirmed what some folks in Fairhope already suspected. It was a tornado that caused this damage on the eastern shore this weekend. WKRG News 5's Debbie Williams is live in Fairhope where the cleanup continues. Debbie.
Yeah, it was a brief EF1 tornado, according to the National Weather Service. They had survey crews out earlier today. They can tell us where that tornado started and where it ended. Just after 3 o'clock Saturday morning, a waterspout formed just north of Fairhope Pier. It came ashore along Fairhope Pier Road and traveled east-northeast, taking down trees and tree limbs, shutting down North Beach Park, where crews were still trying to clean up what the twister left behind Monday. Paralleling Oak Avenue, a narrow, concentrated path of destruction as the tornado crossed North Summit Street, snapping a utility pole in two and sending a massive oak tree crashing into a house. It was a sound heard throughout the neighborhood Monday. Cutting, tearing, loading up debris from the 93-mile-per-hour winds. The twister lifting near Oak and North Church Street after traveling just over a third of a mile from Mobile Bay. And that twister missed downtown Fairhope by just a couple of blocks. The National Weather Service saying that its path of destruction 150 yards wide. Live on the Baldwin County Beat in Fairhope, Debbie Williams, WKRG News 5.